welcome back, guys. I'm super excited because today I'm doing my official fall home tour for 2021. However, this is going to be my downstairs. I will do another video from my upstairs for you guys to see what I did and what I came up with. Now let me tell you, if you followed my decorate with me, my home is totally different. Listen, I teach you guys how to decorate very minimally and keep things very tidy and very clean. And I had to teach myself that again. After I got super excited to decorate for fall, I thought it was very beautiful. However, I was getting anxiety. And I told you guys the reason why I went from a regular decorator to minimal, or bringing my decoration very down, because things that are too much kind of make me want to clean and touch things and fix. So I switched everything. So the first decoration you saw for my fall decorate me, it's not what you're going to see today. So without wasting any more time, guys, let's get into the video. Let's go. So I always tell you I like to start my home tour on the entrance. If you hear that beeping, it's my alarm telling me someone's at the door, and that's actually me. So for fall, I wanted to just, oh guys, I wish you can smell what this place smells like. It smells so good. But I really wanted to keep with my minimal theme. I got this beautiful what is it called, pampas grass. It's so pretty with the moss. And I just got a couple of books that I got from the Goodwill, some from Dollar Tree. So I just kept here very, very simple, and I just love how it turned out. So this is my bathroom, and I want to show you guys that I also decorated for fall. Not much, but I added a couple of pumpkins. And this is the bathroom, right? It's not a bath, it's not like a full bath. It's the powder room right by the, what is it called? By the entryway. So before we go deeper into the living room, I want to show you guys my blanket ladder. It was by my fireplace, and I'll show you guys where it was actually. But I brought it here, and I think it's actually a very perfect fit. I kept here empty because that's where I like to put my Christmas tree, but you know, I will switch things around when Christmas comes. But yeah, I love this blanket ladder. If you don't have a blanket ladder and you're a type of family that love throw blankets, get yourself a blanket ladder. If you don't like the color, you can always spray paint it. But I just love the simplicity of it for fall. My yellow throw blanket is actually for summer, and it goes perfectly for fall. And I love this beautiful color, and I'm gonna use it actually for Christmas as well. And this one is neutral, and for the winter season I'm gonna go all neutral over here. I can't wait for that. But yeah, let's go into the living room. So this is another like entryway style. It's right back off the kitchen, and I will go to the kitchen soon and by the living room. Okay, so I love this so much. So my friend, a very good friend of mine, gave me what you may call the candle right here, and it smells so good. That's what I'm burning right now. It's not a false scent, but it smells so good. And I have this vase, which is like Studio Maggie inspired from the Goodwill. It was like $1.99. It was one of my trays, and I love it. And I just placed it in there actually. Let me show you guys. You can actually pick it up. See? And I just placed it in there like that. And I like it. I think it's cute. Now all my, what is it called? Pumpkins are from different places. Like this is from the Dollar Tree. Well, all of these are from the Dollar Tree. But you know, the big one, it was actually $5. You know, the Dollar Tree now has that Dollar Tree Plus. So yeah. And I just love having that neutral color. This is from what you call it, Hobby Lobby. But yeah, I just love the simplicity of that. Table here, I have a couple of pumpkins. This pumpkin was like blue and gold. I spray painted white, and this is also from that Dollar Tree Plus. Just wanted to add some glitter over here, and it was like $3. my Studio McGee Inspire, what is it called, lamp. It's from the Goodwill, and I just spray painted it white. I don't keep anything underneath there. I keep my pillows very neutral and simple. And on the table, I have my beautiful floral, which I made myself, and I'm super proud of myself. I had a tray with different things, and I just removed it. I just kept the florals by itself. I just think it's so pretty. Now, this is my recent purchase. Is this, what is it called? Vase from Ross. And it's very West Elm, Studio McGee. It's just very, it's my style. Like, I just love that. Like, it's super, super pretty with the pampas grass. And that fireplace, if you're wondering, guys, is from Netflix. And here is my IKEA candles and candle holders. They're just super pretty. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say pretty, and I can't wait to use those for Christmas. They're just so cute. I love the black accent. Now on my couch, or love seat I should say, I have a throw blanket that I drip on there from Home Goods, and I just love that mustard color. It's pretty. I could use it for summer. I could also use it for the fall, as I'm doing right now, and that's a recent purchase as well. The throw blanket, the throw pillows, the one in the back with the tassel, is from Ross. In the summertime I purchased it, and I knew that I was going to use it for fall. And then the what is it called, furry one, is also from, I know that one is from Burlington. Okay, so this is where I had showed you guys before. Now this is my kitchen. Let's go there. So by the door, as you can see, my purse. I have let's see, a wreath there, and I love that wreath. Let me come close for you guys. It's simple, but I love the fact that it's neutral, still very like traditional. And now we're back in the kitchen area, and my stool, nothing has changed there, simple stools. And here I added this black accent vase from Ross, with this candle from Walmart, and I just added white. I just like white. Fall, not fall, I like using white. And the stool is from Ross, just in case you guys are wondering. Now back here on my whatchamacallit, on this stool right there, I have this amber glass, and it's actually a kombucha drink, and I just love that color, and I thought that was so cute, and I was like, I could use it as an amber glass for my fall season. And I put some pumpkin picks there. Now on this side, I just love this so much. This is a trio, pumpkin trio. A lot of people have those from Hobby Lobby. And here we just have my what is it called, cutting boards. Nothing much to see there. The overview for my fall home tour for 2021, and I will also show you guys upstairs a different day, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna put some pictures or some video for you guys what it looked like previously. It was still very beautiful, but it was just a lot. Like, you know, I just like when my home is clean. I can pass by. As you guys can see, it's very small. The last thing I want is to add too much stuff. So when I feel like I have too much stuff, I get very stressed. And the whole point of me going minimal is to have less things and less cleaning, less stress, less all of this. So yeah, so this is the overview of it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. I hope if you liked the video, you will click on that like button and also click on the subscribe button. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. My whole channel here is to show you guys how to decorate very minimally, to live a very clutter-free lifestyle. If there's anything that interests you, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Again, if you like the video, click on that like button. I truly appreciate you guys. I welcome you guys into my home, and you guys have become like family. I love seeing you guys in the comments. So please do leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the home tour. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.